Got all my brake lines disconnected. Radiator hoses, main wire harness. This the frame right here. See all this rust and dirt and all this shit. I'm gonna take all this shit out of here. And it's gonna be, everything gonna get taken off this frame. Everything. And we're gonna paint the rails and everything black. From here, all of this gonna get painted black. All of this. The whole frame, all the way to the back. And black with gloss. We'll undercoat this. Undercoat this shit. This corner right here fucked up. This the fuel tank line. This line no good. This shit gotta go. This shit rotted. The fuel line. So I have fuel in here. This shit rotted as shit.